everybody! It's me, April, and I'm here for another episode of The Picky Palette. I'm so excited for today. I have been waiting and waiting to try this new item that's been on the shelves for like weeks, but I wanted to do it with you. So today we're going to actually try them, and they are a brand new Peep flavor of pancakes and syrup Peeps. I am so ready to try these. Are you? All right, let's do it. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's like walking into a Waffle House. Or Pancake House. It smells really good. Pretty color. Okay, we ready? Oh, definitely. It smells like when you just sit down at like one of those places where they serve breakfast and they just bring out the pancakes steaming hot with the syrups all nuzzled with the butter all in it. This is good stuff. Next, we're going to make a new recipe using the pancakes and syrup Peeps. It's one of my favorite recipes of all time. For today's recipe, we are using brand new pancake and syrup flavored Peeps. We also need 1 package of 8-count croissant rolls. Then we're going to need about 2 to 4 teaspoons of cinnamon sugar mixture. Today we are going to make a recipe that I have been doing for a long time. I was a children's pastor at one point, and every Easter I would try to make the kids something really special, and I came across this recipe called resurrection rolls. And basically it's a croissant roll wrapped around usually a marshmallow, and then you bake it, and then as you open it, when it's done baking, it's all nice and sweet and sugary on the inside, but it's empty, very much like when Jesus was not in the tomb anymore. So it represents Easter. It represents Jesus in the tomb, and it represents all the wonderful things that he's done for us. So we're going to try that, and I know there's a lot of my students out there who remember these, so make a comment on the video if you remember. Now, I'm taking apart the rolls. They're just basic croissant rolls. You get 8 in a package, and I'm just going to take them apart. Whoopsie. And unroll them. Usually they come 2 in a triangle. This is nice and easy, and it's so much fun. Now I'm going to show you how to do these. I usually take them out, and then you don't have to even have just a nice cookie sheet. Doesn't even have to be greased. Alright, and then I usually spread it out a little bit. Don't forget to wash your hands. Now usually I would sprinkle the inside with cinnamon sugar because it was a basic marshmallow, but we're using the Peeps this time. Place it so it's lying down there in a nice little blanket, kind of like you're swaddling. And then you're just going to take it and roll it so that the whole Peep gets covered up. And you roll it from the wide end to the narrow end. And there's our first one. Ta-da! Okay, now you can see they're all rolled up in the croissant dough. Try to make the marshmallow covered as much as possible so it doesn't ooze out. Now, I'm going to take my cinnamon sugar mixture. It's basically 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and we're just going to sprinkle some on the top, just so it gives it a nice cinnamony smell and taste. Perfect for Easter morning, afternoon, with dinner. They're nicely covered, so you almost have like a cinnamon dough to go with it. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Just set your oven, preheat it for whatever your package of croissants say. Mine was 375 for 9 to 12 minutes, so I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes. Okay, we have our finished product, As you can see, they're all rolled up nice and neat. And the cinnamon, I can't wait to dive into them. Okay. Ooh, get a little bit caramelly on the bottom. Oh. Oh, wow. That pancake syrup flavor inside. This is like heaven. As you can see, it's kind of, I don't know if you can see inside, but it's hollow. But the flavors and the smells are all there. It is so delicious. I'm going to be making these for dinner for sure. Thank you guys for watching today. And I hope that you really enjoy this recipe and that you can use them for the Easter. And we'll have the blog will be attached to the site. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get the next episode of The Picky Palette. I'm April, and I want you to remember, you can do this.